Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show how to do a cool face effect. Now this is the picture that we're gonna use. It's the picture from yesterday's tutorial. Now we need to pick the brush tool and select a red color. Make the brush a little bit bigger, like this. Now create a new layer and just paint over the portrait. Let's move it a little bit to the left. Now we'll choose a blue color. This one is good. And we'll paint on the other side. Like this. Now we need to choose multiply. And now we have the two colors. If you want, you can lower them from the opacity. However you like it, you can make it with different colors, not the red and blue ones. I think it's a good effect and it will make your pictures pop. So this is the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching, and please, if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.